Hello guys, I just got these focus mitts. These are the best boxing pads you can find in matter of quality, comfort and precision. They are made of buffalo leather. As you can see, they're really small, and I think they weigh around 300 grams. I know for sure that they weigh around 4 oz or something like that. They are very light. You can smell the leather. It's really premium quality leather, as you can see. These are in gold version. They look way better than the silver one. Okay, let's try them. The hand compartment is really good. I think it's the best hand compartment. So if you have problems with your hands or wrists, or if you're training some heavy hitters, these are the best choice because they offer great thumb support. Your thumbs are here, they're protected in the pocket here, and you also have here a wrist padding that takes the impact from the shots. And what I like the best about them is that they're really light and you can hold them, and they're smaller than other gloves. You can hold them and hold longer combos for boxing, and you also can help your fighters do slips and rolls because you can move them really easy being so light. And I will test them, and after that I will come with a review on them. I like them. You also have this to adjust them, how tight you want them, or it depends on your wrist. I think I will put them a bit tighter, yeah, like that. Yeah, good. Now I will show you some details on them. As you can see here, you can see this quality on other brands. Usually they compromise the quality. They are made of leather or artificial leather, like the other pads, the other meats in this category are the rival, but they aren't made of real leather. And what I recommend you, in time after using them more intense, they will catch a pretty bad smell that you can't get rid of because of the artificial leather. This is natural leather. It will have a better smell over time. It won't catch that gross smell. Inside, yeah, it's polyester on the outside, and on the interior part it's full leather also in the inside. How you put them on, how to know which is left and which is right: this metal part has to be inside, so when you put them on, the metal should be facing each other. Yes, they're pretty good. These are the best pads, honestly, that I've tried until now. They're for boxing, they aren't for kickboxing or Muay Thai, but you can use them really good for boxing. It protects you as a trainer. You avoid injuries, hand injuries, which is really important. And it also, if you have heavy hitters, it takes a lot from the impact that usually goes on your wrist with other meets from rival or winning that don't have this padding. Usually it's really hard to find this combination that has all these elements, also to be small, to be really light, to be high quality leather, and also have this wrist padding. So thank you, leave a like, comment and subscribe for future videos, and I will come with a review.